sa inyong lahat. Yan. 10 na. Yan. Thanks so much sa mga nag-i-stay dyan. Sana all talaga nag-i-stay na. Hoy! Joy, shoutout! Ananigi, Sherwin Reyes. Kay Sherwin, welcome back po. Si Jan, kamusta na? Yan, idol, tapos ka na po mag-Zoom meeting. Arlene, shoutout. Abuera, shoutout. Dan, shoutout. Grabe ka na. Ba't naman naging grabe? Guys, sino yung mga mag-turning 21 this year? Mga 2002, turning 21 this year. Ang cute nito. Cute, no? Rogelyn, thank you so much sa pagtatap ng screen. Guys, salamat sa mga matsagang nagtatap ng screen natin. Maraming salamat po. Hello, Richie. Shout out. Magti-21 ka na rin, Erica. Erica, palitan mo yung dito, yung pangalan dito, Dominic Alex. Gawin mong A yung U. Tapos, totoo ba? Hindi ako naniniwala dyan, Erica. Hindi ako naniniwala dyan, Erica. May 16 ka rin. Patingin ang birth certificate. Patingin. Guys, na-miss ko din po kayo dahil ang tagal ko rin hindi nakapag-stream dito sa TikTok. Gawa nga ng sobrang busy din ko. Weh, totoo ba yan, Erica? Hello, Jobert Gonzalez. Shoutout. Hello po. Thank you so much po pala kay Barbs. Thank you so much po. Mahal pa rin kita. Ano ba yung mahal pa rin kita? Pakinggan ko muna kasi baka hindi familiar sa akin yung mahal pa rin kita. Mahal pa rin kita. Titignan natin tong mahal pa rin kita. Pakinggan ko lang Feeling ko hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko po alam to. Anong gusto mong kanta, Joyce Ann Santiago? Anong gusto mong kanta? Mikey, shoutout. Chel, shoutout. Jobet, shoutout. Yung TikTok shop ko rin, hindi ko na rin naasikaso dito. Pero, pag naipadala sa akin yung product ulit, magagawa ko ulit ng content dito sa TikTok shop natin. Kung mga gusto po mag-check po dito sa TikTok shop ko po dyan, check nyo lang po baka may magustuhan po kayong mga items. Sabihin, hindi ko alam yung sabihin. Tagasan ho kayo. Taga-Tarlac po ako, guys. Taga-Tarlac City po ako. Pakanta naman ng I Have Nothing, idol po birthday mga sa akin. Sige, try natin yan. I Have Nothing. Try natin yan. I Have Nothing yan. Hindi ko nga alam, Joyce Ann. Yan natin to. Hindi po, pa-college student pa lang po. Nag-stop po kasi ako 3 years. Kaya, ngayon pa lang po nagbababaw. Nagalit ha? Ikaw kasi galit. Share my life. Take me for a while. I am. 'Cause I'll never change all my colors for you. Take my love, I'll never ask too much. Shout out to Lucia's Shop. Just all that you are and everything that you do. I don't really need to look very much further. I don't wanna have to go where you don't follow. I won't hold it back again. This passion inside can't run from myself. There's nowhere to hide. But don't make me close don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you dare. Or must I imagine you there? Don't walk away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing if I don't have you. You, 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 you see through right to the heart of me. You break down my walls with the strength of your love. Ooh, I never knew the black I've known it with you. Will our memory survive? Oh, I can hold on to. I don't really need to look very much further. I don't wanna have to go where you don't follow. I'll hold it back again. This passion inside, then run from myself. Forever, make me close one more door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you dare. Or must I imagine you there? Don't walk away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing. Don't make me close one more door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you dare. Or must I imagine you there? Don't walk away from me. No, don't walk away from me. Don't you dare walk away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing if I don't have you. Uy, hindi papakit. Loving. Sige po, your wish is my command. When I was young, never needed anyone, and making love was just